Do you view what is termed Islamist feminism? Jazakallah khair. Well, that again is a very broad phenomenon. My worry with it is that it's not terribly profound. There are thinkers, and in Egypt one thinks, for instance, of the late Zainab al-Ghazali, rahmatullahi alayha, and also Safi Naz Kazim, perhaps a more interesting thinker, who have at times been aligned with a broadly Ikhwani perspective. If I was asked to supply a criticism, I would say that they have addressed issues piecemeal rather than looking at the whole picture, and also they have frequently failed to understand the philosophical underpinnings of the westernization process which they are resisting. They are looking at individual issues like mingling of the sexes in cinemas, for instance, which was a big thing for Zainab al-Ghazali, and dealing with that on a purely moralistic basis rather than trying to understand the reasons for that practice in the countries from which it's being exported. It's much better to argue with the West on the basis of usul than of furu'.